Okay, this is a little tutorial on the collection of energy, which is one of the basic principles of the Earthship. The thing is, everybody understands how when it rains, puddles, pools, ponds form from water falling on the ground and running to a low spot. We collect, Earth collects water. It collects water and makes pools, ponds, lakes, rivers. The thing is, energy can be exactly the same way. Rather than a little configuration in the ground that we can either create or occurs naturally, it's a configuration in the ground again that the sun is facing south and you collect energy. The sun's energy just collects in the space. In the pond scenario, if we want to enhance the situation and make it so it doesn't soak into the ground, we use pond liners. People line ponds with bentonite. You do things to enhance the storage of the water that collects naturally. It's very similar with this configuration. We do things to enhance the storage of the energy that we collect. One is that we put a glass face across the front of it so that the heat can't escape as fast. Two is it's known and throughout our literature and physics in general that mass, dense mass, stores temperature. It holds temperature. Just like this configuration holds water, dense mass, like Earth, like pounded tires, holds temperature. So when this energy is trapped in this space, just like the water is trapped, then the energy goes into the cooler mass around it. We don't want it to leach into the ground, just like we don't want the water to leach into the ground, so we put pond liner. We do insulation, rigid insulation that can't be hurt by dampness. We wrap the mass in insulation, just like we wrap the pond with pond liner. So now we have energy coming in. We have the energy being trapped with the glass face. We have the energy with no place to go, so it goes into the mass, and it can't go straight through the mass and into the earth because of the insulation. So trapping energy is very much like trapping water. The Earthship, the simple survival that we're starting with, they collect energy this way, just like water is collected this way. If we can think of collecting energy, of gathering energy like we gather water, and let that be the prevailing concept for every building on this planet, we will see an end to infrastructure and nuclear power plants.